Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Cadillac CT5V versus the BMW M5. We'll dive into their raw power, advanced technology, and overall driving experience. The Cadillac CT5V Blackwing offers a supercharged V8 with 668 horsepower, while the BMW M5, now a plug-in hybrid, pushes out an impressive 717 horsepower. Both vehicles are incredibly quick, hitting 60 miles per hour in about 3-4 seconds. Moving inside, both sedans offer luxurious and tech-filled cabins. The Cadillac CT5V Blackwing impresses with its expansive 33.0-inch curved LED display featuring a Google-based operating system. The BMW M5 counters with a 14.9-inch central touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, running iDrive 8.5. Expect high-quality materials and advanced driver assistance features in both. When it comes to driving dynamics, these cars offer distinct philosophies. The CT5V Blackwing, with its rear-wheel drive and available 6-speed manual transmission, provides a very engaging experience, enhanced by magnetic ride control 4.0. The BMW M5, on the other hand, utilizes an advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive M suspension, offering incredible grip and customizable driving modes for varied conditions. Considering value, the Cadillac CT5V Blackwing starts at approximately $99,000, offering immense performance for its price. The BMW M5 begins around $123,000, reflecting its hybrid powertrain and extensive luxury features. Both are exceptional performance sedans, but cater to slightly different preferences. For more details and other great deals, be sure to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.